What's your name? And what are you doing?
The island of Poseidon.
Island of Sodor.
And
Show me your Thomas world.
this Thomas world is the best one.
And where's Thomas going?
This one.
Oh dear, what a punk.
Where's Thomas? Did Thomas Tata? Did Thomas?
He's here. He's here. He's here. He's in there. Look. Look at him. Oh, he's there. Okay, and make him go down to the mining. This mining part here. How does he go there? Take it along the track. Go around. Go up, up, up. Can Thomas make it up the hill? Yes, he can. Can he go down the slide? Yes. Is he going to go mining? Is he going to go through the tunnel? You going to make him go through the tunnel? Rafael, are you going to make Thomas go through the tunnel? Huh?
Yeah.
You can press this to make him go up, and Thomas goes down. Woo! Okay, but he has to come here now to Cranky. How do you make him come to Cranky? Good boy.
Everybody knows what to do when the Pinky Ponk gets stuck.
Oh, Thomas is so close to Cranky now. Oh, look, he's passing Toby now. And who else do you have here? Who's this one here? Who's that? Spencer. Okay. Okay, can you find Stanley? What about Jack? Where's Jack? Where's Jack?
Dear, Pinky Ponk is still stuck in the tree.
Where's Jack? Go pick him up. Oh, good boy. Oh, what about Emily? Where's Emily?
That one.
Oh, good boy. Who's your favorite?
Thomas.
Oh, what's Harold doing? Where's Harold?
Da.
I'll fix him up. What does Harold do? Flies. Woo! Helicopter. And can Harold fly to Sodor Rock Quarry? Fly. Oh, you passed the quarry. Okay. What are you doing?
Dear, the Pinky Ponk is
And where is Rocky? Can Rocky go pick up Harold? Can you say bye-bye from Thomas World?
Bye-bye.
Can Thomas say bye-bye? Where's Thomas?
Bye, Thomas.
Where's Thomas? Okay.
Bye.